Alright, I picked up this pretty cool little beat up golf cart, and it doesn't run, doesn't get spark. Looking here at the wiring, and I see we've got a bus bar here with a bunch of cutoff wires and stuff that don't really go anywhere. We've got 3 cables, a red, a black, and a secondary red there. Got some other wires just kind of laying around, not quite sure. Then we've got this little thing on the wall. I don't know what that is exactly. We've got this. Is that an igniter maybe? What is that? What does it say on it? Okay, made in Japan. Denki. Yeah, BE1127, and under that 4122. I think that's the igniter. This is the solenoid for the starter, I think. Looks like it. And let's see, on the other side we've got they've got a GM coil on here. Got a GM coil. It's hardly on there. Okay, and then we've got those wires go over to that igniter, it looks like. Okay, and then we've got these 2 wires that are exposed. They go down to this pickup, which I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a little pickup down in there. I believe the guy said he changed the pickup. So, gotta figure out how to get some spark to this puppy.